The Harare City Council has shut down more than 40 buildings in the Central Business District CBD in sweeping crackdown under its CBD order in the restoration operation. So Dabina Mashoko Budapango ino ajonokonzi Tshabangu or shut down over 40 Harare CBD buildings. Subscribe on the bell. The closures target properties built without approved plans, businesses violated city bylaws, and those failing to meet health and safety standards. The operation being overseen by the Jacob Mafume-led council, controlled by a factional aligned to CCC politicians in Tshabangu. In a statement, the seat of Harare's head of corporate communications, Stanley Gama, urged businesses, owners, and property holders to urgently regularize their operations to avoid permanent closure. In quotes, as of August 4, 2025, a total of 266 businesses have been closed. Of these, 82 buildings have outstanding arrears, or 25 properties had water supplies cut for non-payment, Gama said. According to the council, 246 businesses were operating without valid licenses. Only 226 had approved building plans. 85 buildings had expired fire extinguishers. 289 had valid fire certificates. Several traders were left stranded, unable to remove their goods, as council officials enforced the shutdowns to compel compliance. The blitz marks one of the most aggressive clampdowns on Harare's CBD in recent years, as authorities move to restore order, enforce bylaws, and tighten control over urban business operations. Domashwa arikubuda panguva ino arikubuda nezviri kuitwa the Tshabangu faction chionekwa kunzi aiwa haizi kutamba iri kuita ichiclosa mabusinesses evanhu zviri kuva zvichidescribe panguva ino chionekwa kunzi this clampdown panguva ino iri very very aggressive. Pinai comment section medu dzimafukuro enyu motikude pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.